Hey guys, my name is Mike Page. I'm here representing Matt, Mother King's Drunk Driving. I'm a criminal defense lawyer from Kansas. And just because I'm from Kansas, or I live in Kansas now, I'm not living next to me, I was in the zoo, Missouri guy, Missouri through and through. So don't turn it all off right now. Alright, anyway, basically I'm representing Matt, and we basically have the same views, Matt and I. So anyway, we believe that there is a problem with underage drinking. There's a lot of it going on. We believe that the new initiative to lower it to 18 is not a good idea. 18 we don't think is the right age. 21 we believe is the right age. It's worked in the past. It actually has saved lives. Over 50 reputable studies have found that since the drinking age changed to 21 in 1984, there's estimated 25,000 lives have been saved because of less alcohol-related crashes involving young people. Also, there's other studies that say that about 8,000 people died because of alcohol-related crashes in the years leading up to 1984 when the law changed. After that, it's averaged about 6,000, so it's gone down about 25%. So there is facts out there to show, we don't have to prove, but to show that the age of 21 has had a positive impact on keeping young people and everybody else safe. Since we don't support lowering the age to 18, we do want to suggest to stress education on alcohol education, start as young as 4th grade, 3rd grade, whatever. I know whenever I was in school, we started in like 5th grade, but that was about all we got. If we continue it from age 10 all the way up to high school, I don't know, maybe past that, I don't know. That's what we kind of stress. The consequences of alcohol physically, how alcohol reacts to your body, how you react to alcohol, also mentally, how does it, alcoholism, how does that have an effect on you, at what point does that happen? Is it also a genetic thing where you get alcoholism from your parents, family, etc.? Also, want to educate people on the legal consequences of alcohol. And we also, besides education, we also like to stress enforcement. Really, just about anybody get their hands on alcohol, no matter how old you are. But if we think we can enforce the laws a lot better, we think the laws that are in place actually can work. They have worked in the past, and if we enforce them a lot, enforce people who are selling to minors, either that be a bar who doesn't really check IDs, kind of checks IDs, doesn't really care, whether it be a liquor store that does the same thing, whether it be older siblings who are over 21, or parents who buy alcohol for their children. We want to enforce that. Actually, there's laws against it. If we could actually just kind of enforce that and make them have some consequences for doing those actions, I think that would go a long way in reducing the problem of underage drinking. Also, I'd like to mention, so that's kind of what we're saying, but also like to mention, if you guys were listening a minute ago, I said I was a criminal defense attorney. It sounds kind of weird that I'd be involved with Matt and be a criminal defense attorney that would represent people who are possibly charged with DUIs. Yes, in our office we do represent people charged with DUIs, although some people think that's kind of weird. But as a criminal defense attorney, all you really do is make sure people have their rights. The Constitution says you have the right to no illegal searches and seizures, the right to an attorney, the right to be silent, etc. So my job as a criminal defense attorney, if someone comes in and starts with a DUI, we just make sure the police did their job properly and legally, make sure the prosecutor did their job, make sure the judge makes a fair decision. And then at the end of the day, if our person drove drunk and everybody did their job, the police, the prosecutor, the judge, then I go home happy, even though my client got convicted, because I'm happy because justice was served. So that would kind of make some sense, hopefully. So, okay. All right. So I think that's pretty much it. And I'm going to turn it over.